Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the new drop fruit feature in Grow a Garden 2. So with this new feature, you can now drop any fruits that you own almost anywhere on the map, and you can place it inside your garden or even outside your garden, making it much easier to share fruits with your friends. And here's how to do it. First, just pick up the fruits that you want to drop. Like this, for example, I want to drop this pineapple. And then next, just tap on this icon, this drop icon, like this. And just like that, you can see it. Your fruit will fall onto the ground like this, floating on your garden, and the other players or your friends can pick it up. But just keep in mind, make sure the fruit is not marked as favorite, or you won't be able to drop it. And okay, that's it. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.